because I wanted to get a first look at these ones. Yes, we all know Cassie has this one. I've seen it, I think, on her channel first and on her Instagram, and I was like, okay, I usually I don't like green at all, right? But this, because it's metallic, I think, it has something, you know? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So we are in the heart of London. We are just on Oxford Street and this is the first vlog, obviously. And can you see how many people are out and about? It's really nice and it's beautiful and it's warm and you really get like summer butterflies. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. So obviously this is the first vlog that we're doing. Ooh, so many people. The first vlog we're doing after the whole Chanel drama, and I think in the end with Jacob's videos, I think we did around 5 videos, but we really felt like we had to address it. Obviously, we wanted to make as many people aware of the situation as we could. But this is all done now. Now we're back to our regular upload schedule, and honestly, it's the perfect day for that. I'm wearing my new favorite dress from Karen Millen. If you haven't seen that unboxing, well, / haul yet, I bought so much stuff because I was sick, right, with COVID again for the second time, and I was just ordering something all day long. Okay guys, so I would say let's go to Selfridges today and see what this day brings. We just arrived at Selfridges, Dior, and oh my god, can we have a quick look at these ones? I've only seen them on the website yet. I've not seen them in real life. They are so sparkly and beautiful. And it really goes with my outfit today.
Yeah. I haven't seen this one. I haven't.
Wow. And that's probably all, oh my god, hand embroidered. No, I think it's not, it doesn't belong to the art collections, does it?
Sorry?
It doesn't belong to the art collections, does it?
Maybe.
Oh.
Maybe the hot couture,
Oh,
maybe the special edition.
Okay, wow.
Let me see.
Yes. It's absolutely beautiful. How much is it?
I think we'll have a price inside.
It's gorgeous. Can we see those details? And the charms are so stunning. Okay, we need to try this one on. So here it is. That's the first piece I saw when I came into Selfridges, and I was like, oh my god, look! That is a match made in heaven, isn't it? I mean, look! Oh my god. Okay, I have 4 Lady Diors. I didn't think I would actually want another one. This I would actually consider, guys, like for myself, for my own collection, because it is so stunning. Okay, this is obviously I need to sleep on it because I should never make a spontaneous decision. But oh wow, I don't know. Tell me what you think. I'm blown away. Oh god, oh 999, it's stuck in my dress. Okay, does it come in the medium size?
In the medium,
oh, it does, okay.
It's not navy, the medium is white.
Okay, but the same kind of embroidery?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay. That is quite beautiful, guys, isn't it? This is the large book tote again, but again, I love it with those colors. It really is my colors, isn't it? Ay. Okay, we came to Dior first, and also, guys, just what now happened with the other Lady Dior, like it pulled out this little string. Oh, this is the first time I'm wearing this dress today. That was a little bit painful, but it's quite a nice bag, isn't it? I love it. Oh, but I really love the Lady Dior as well. Here, guys, can you guys see that? 1 and 2. Oh, and that just happened because of the Lady Dior. That's really painful. And a little bit of Louis Vuitton eye candy. They always have like this little pop-up shop right here next to the main bit, Louis Vuitton. Look at that. Ooh, this is a summer collection piece. I love it, guys. I don't know about you. I cannot wait for their autumn-winter pieces. You know, these golden embroidered pieces with all the flowers on it. I think it's canvas, actually. I think it's not embroidered. They are quite nice too, right? Look at this hardware. That's quite unique. And some very chic slippers. And, oh, guys, I love this dress. Maybe I'm just gonna buy it again now that this happened. Love the colors, so summery. This is one of the new ombre kind of effect, never fulls, quite pretty as well. Does this come in like a more colorful version? Because I love it does. Oh, because I love the ombre effect. It's really nice. Wow, guys. Okay, look at this. This is the new puffy Alma. I like to call it the puffy Alma. We have it in yellow, in blue, in black. It's a very modern piece again, right? I think it will run out of fashion very quickly. But it's very much in at the moment. We have another one of those summer pieces. Very interesting. A lot of them actually. Quite interesting. It's not my style, I have to say. And guys, a little bit more monogram eye candy. I still love this one. Amelia from Amelia Rose's Closet actually got it recently. I'm very, very envious. Because I love it a lot. Oh, this model I've never seen before either. Yeah, okay guys, let me know if anything caught your eye. And a little sneak peek of the tennis collection. So this one feels like a towel, comes in red as well. Yeah, Jessie was just sending me and Daco pictures of this collection this morning. This is a Speedy with white leather trims. Wow, I love it. I actually quite like it. Tennis collection, guys. Oh, there we have the blue. Very interesting. This piece we haven't seen before either. Wow, this is leather, it is leather. It's really cool. And a little bit of Fendi eye candy. So, I love all the colors that are coming out for summer. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. Tortoiseshell handle, love that with my capucine as well. Love the ombre effect of the Fendi and the Roma. And then obviously it's beautiful gold leather. Absolutely stunning. And here it is. We can actually get a look at the pieces. They haven't sold out yet, guys. The Fendace pieces. What do we think about it? I actually like it. I've never been a big fan. I've never really been into Versace. But like this combination, I mean, you guys know I love Fendi. I've got 2 Fendi Peekaboos. But this combination of the tortoiseshell handle with the bag, absolutely gorgeous. There, this little one as well. Wow, seeing it in person, it has something, right? There we have a little Fendi Peekaboo as well. The Fendi Cookie Bag. Love this bracelet. Quite stunning. But honestly, this bag is amazing. And guys, there we have a couple more pieces. Small leather goods. Oh, I think Dacob was actually interested in one of those tiny bags. Wow, okay, I didn't think I would still get a look at it because it's been, I think, 2-3 days since this collection came out. And yeah, they still have pieces available. Tell me what you think about it.
It's very in your face, it's very Versace.
But it is. So I didn't think that they haven't sold out yet, right? Because the collection came out 2-3 days ago.
Exactly, not yet, but whatever we have on the shop floor, that's it.
Oh, that's it. Okay, cool. Okay, guys, here we are again. I think, you know, I love pink today. I'm drawn to anything pink. Wow. Okay, so everything that's on the shop floor, that's left on the shop floor, basically. Somebody just came out of this mirror. So everything that's left on the shop floor, it's the only stuff that's still available. Everything else is sold out. Because I did expect that, to be honest. I mean, you know, I was thinking like it's selling out in a day probably. I love it. I really like it. It's such a beautiful little like summer bag, right? Here we are with a tote. Wow, okay. This is very much in your face, like my fiance said. However, I think it is stunning. Like in a couple of years' time or so, I think this will be like a classic fashion archive moment, right? A fashion history moment. Yeah, I was not into this collection at all when I saw pictures of it and everything. Now seeing it in person, can you see how beautiful this the Fendi logos are shimmering? It's like a metallic gold. Oh, I love those pieces. Who would have thought? Do you like it? Would you actually spend money on this? Let me know.
Receive 1 or 2 pieces of each.
Okay, okay. I love the interior Zucca logo. That's such a yeah. Oh, nice. And a little bit more Fendace pieces. Okay, this is the ready to wear. Very interesting. Love this dress.
Oh,
stunning. Whoops. And what else do we have here? little bit of pink as well. Oh, I'm so happy we actually did see some pieces. Anything new at Gucci? I don't know. Let's have a look. I think most of these pieces we have seen before, haven't we? Okay guys, look at this. They still have one of the Marika transfer bags available. It's probably because this is, I think, £9,000, almost £10,000, but it's so stunning. Yeah guys, okay, so we're at Bottega as well because I wanted to get a first look at these ones. Yes, we all know Cassie has this one. I've seen it, I think, on her channel first and on her Instagram, and I was like, okay, I usually don't like green at all, right? But this, because it's metallic, I think, it has something, you know, and I was thinking, okay, I need to see it in real life. By the way guys, there we have the other little bag. I think it comes in the pouch version as well, or the teen pouch, but like honestly, the mini Jodie I think is the nicest one. Somebody's just coming out of the mirror again. So I don't know, even though it's green and I don't have any green bags in my collection, I really like it. It pops really nicely against this dress as well, right? Let me know please what you think. Do you have this bag? Do you have the mini Jodie? Is it easy to get in and out? Let me know. Guys, and I just met here at Bottega, and you actually
Sorry,
watching my videos, right?
I love your videos. Literally, I'm a massive fan. I've been waiting for like 6 months. I was hoping, because I've seen my other colleague literally been in your videos. I'm like, I hope she's gonna come. I really want to. So yes,
Give me your
massive
opinion.
fan.
You like this bag?
I think it's amazing. I think it's a masterpiece, and it's definitely like, you know, your kind of style.
It is. Okay, nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah guys, I always stop at these Prada pieces again because they're so shiny. Look, they even have it like in a mint green, the classic little Prada re-edition. So many people have it in the classic black, right? Oh, it's falling, wait. Ooh. But the mint green is quite nice as well. And look at these shoes. Boom, very summery, isn't it? Looks like a towel again. I actually like it. This is like the Prada version of my Dolce & Gabbana bag. I actually prefer mine. The lace looks better, right?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so wow, look at these pieces. This is real artworks. Oh my god. What is it? There's no sign or anything. This could be like in a Lord of the Rings movie. It looks like something Galadriel could wear,
I was
right?
going to say, it looks very Lord of the Rings.
Yeah, it looks very Lord of the Rings. Stunning. Okay. I think it's worth showing you these, right? Wow, this is art. Guys, what is it? Wow, one piece is nicer than the next. Oh my god. Do we know what it is? No, right? Stunning. It's actually Iris van Herpen, guys. Now we know. We're staying outside, obviously, but nothing's gonna stop me from showing you the window displays of Chanel in the future. So there, look at this tiny little beautiful pearl bag. Let me zoom in a little bit. Gorgeous, isn't it? Ah, the Chanel 22. I have a surprise for you, coming in June probably. I am still not a big fan of the white and black lacquered ones. I prefer the gold hardware pieces. And of course this beautiful little bag with a thick chain. Funky Town, I think that's the name. Gorgeous. And a little bit more Chanel. It's actually quite like the tweed has metallic pieces. Can you see that? Like metallic sequins sewn into it. It's really nice as well. And look at this tiny little bag. I haven't seen that one before. And another beautiful outfit, of course. The Chanel 22 bag as well. I still love it, guys. I don't know what it is. I still love it. And these ones I think we've seen before. Cool shoes. Yeah, that's it. What is this? That just makes me happy seeing this. Guys, okay, I'm just in the homeware section and this little Pikachu was looking at me. Oh, how adorable. And like all of the stuff is pretty cool, right? I'm such a nerd. Okay guys, so that was such a lovely moment meeting Kat. That was everything in terms of Selfridges, I think. And now we're gonna make our way to Notting Hill and we're gonna have a quick look in all the vintage shops as well, because somebody told me, Romina, go back to the vintage jewelry shops in Notting Hill. You know, you want to see what they have, and yeah, I would say let's do that now. still such a beautiful day, huh? We really need to enjoy this today.
Absolutely.
And welcome to Notting Hill, guys. We're just gonna go whoop across the street now and get something to drink and to eat, and then let's go to the shops and look at these houses. I love it. Et voila, here we are. So that's basically Portobello Road over there, and that's where you can find the market every Saturday. And this is one of my favorite vintage. It doesn't have a name. It doesn't have a name. This red thing here at the beginning of Portobello Road is one of my favorite vintage jewelry shops. Just to give you an idea, before we go in, they have like everything. They do have vintage designer luxury pieces as well, so it's amazing. You never know what you find when you go in there. I mean, look at those guys. It is incredible. I've seen everything here. Vintage Dolce & Gabbana, vintage Chanel, vintage... Let's just go in. There we have it. See? Vintage Balenciaga. It's like, you never know where to look first, guys. So I would advise, if you're here, Oscar de la Renta, Yves Saint Laurent. So I would just advise to come here basically and have a look at all the pieces in person, because it's way too much. And you know, you can find really, really cool pieces here as well. They have one such a beautiful like snake bracelet that I actually bought, but then I gifted it to my cousin and now it's gone. But look at this. Yeah, you have to come and experience this for yourselves. Here, there we are, Chanel. Vintage Chanel from the 1980s. And more Balenciaga and Givenchy. I think I've seen some Hermes somewhere as well. It's amazing. Karl Lagerfeld. Yeah, so, ooh. See, it's definitely worth coming here if you are looking for vintage treasures. Guys, can we have a look at all the little animals? Oh, so cute. I really like this bird. And have a look at that. That does remind us of something, right? And especially look at this snake ring. Maybe we should try that one on. Look at this. Absolutely perfect for a Slytherin. Oh, I love it. And it's actually adjustable. I really like the little snake ring, but there were 2 crystals already missing.
It's a bit of a shame.
Yeah, so obviously I didn't pick that one up, but I love the idea. This is Notting Hill, this is Portobello Road, and it's quite late already in the day now. That house was in the Paddington film. Here you can see all the little shops still, and yeah, they have a hummingbird cupcake bakery down there. Best cupcakes in London. And of course, no day would be perfect without bubble tea. But it's such a long queue. Again, it's T4. Best bubble tea in London. Here we go. Our favorite sushi place. Bon appetit. Yeah, hi guys. So I just met Kim here, and you were actually writing me a couple of days ago that you wanted to try the bubble tea, because we are at Pacha. I always say it's the best bubble tea in London. If you London, try it. Do you like it?
I love it. I don't like it. I love it. And I totally agree. It's the best one.
Oh, so nice to meet you.
And nice to meet you.
And you wanted to buy a Louis Vuitton bag, you told me, and they didn't have it in stock anymore.
No.
Which one was it?
The Neo Sunset.
Oh,
Sunrise Pastel.
Oh, yes. I love the midnight color ones as well. They're so beautiful.
They're
I really
all
hope you're still
beautiful.
gonna find it.
Hopefully.
Bye.